Hey everybody, welcome back to Cammy's Garage. While the glue was drying on another project, I thought I might try to turn this piece of walnut. The patrons that picked up my lotus leaf piece on the weekend left me a whole bunch of walnut. This was cut down in a neighbor's yard several years ago and it's been air drying since. As you can see, I've turned this into a circle. I'm going to try to turn this on the lathe. See what I can make. I guess I'll have to try to turn a tenon on this. I don't have a lot of material to work with. This will also be ridiculously out of balance.